Hi everybody. Today we're going to be doing Fursona Pens Ultimate Tier of their pen club. So this will be the first video for pens I'm going to be doing. Unfortunately, since I'm way behind of doing these videos, we'll be starting July of 2019. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is this wicker. See if we can get that to zoom in. 386 is wicker 386. And neat looking pen. There you go. Here's the second one that you get with the Ultimate Tier. Oh, let's go with the Island Fox 432. A neat looking one. And then here's the duplicate. And here's the variant of the Island Fox. I believe this is the rose gold one, the variant. The Island Fox. Here it goes. Here's the second one. Next we have is the Denver number 434. This is a good looking one. Next we have, looks like they added the bite, the first one that they released. That's cool. That's right, they add a random pin to each Ultimate Tier. That's cool. So that's the first one that they released. Next one is the, I'm guessing that's Cayante 433. Kind of neat. That's really neat. And here's just some of the, looks like this is the glitter variety of their pen. Fursona pens. And it's the glitter version, looks like. And then here's a sticker of the Island Fox, I believe. Yep. And also you get this lanyard. Kind of neat. Let me start from the beginning here. Oops. And focus. That's neat. So that is the July 2019 Ultimate Tier from FursonaPens.com. Thank you very much for watching.